Good morning, students. Yesterday, I explained about distance and displacement with some example problems. Today, I am going to explain about how to find the distance and displacement if a body is moving on a circular path. If a body is moving on a circular path. Then first one. Consider an moving along the circumference of circle or of radius or meters. Okay, then find distance and displacement. Then find the distance and displacement from first one is A to B, second one is A to C, and third one is A to D, and the fourth one is A to A. Okay, so it is the given circle. Circle divided into 4 equal parts. It is the origin O, A, B, C, D. It is 1/4 part. Here also 1/4. Here also 1/4. Here also 1/4. Now the ant is starting from A to B, means it completes the 1/4 rounds. 1/4 round. So here find the distance. First one, distance from A to B. If a body is moving in a circular path, to find the distance, here distance equal to, if a body is moving in a circular path, distance equal to n into 2 pi r. It is the formula. If a body is moving in a circular path, then find the distance. To find the distance, if a body is moving in a circular path, then distance equal to n into 2 pi r. So here what is n? N means how many times it is revolving on the circular path. How many times here? A to B. How many times here it completes 1/4 rounds. It completes 1/4 rounds. Here pi equal to, we can write here pi equal to 22/7. Okay. Next r equal to here radius. R equal to radius of the circle. Important. Okay. So then find distance. So what is mean by distance? The length of the path traveled by the body. The length of the path traveled by the body is called distance. Now that body is moving from A to B. So what is the formula to find the distance? If a body is moving in a circular path, then distance equal to n into 2 pi r. So what is the n value here? N equal to, it completes, it revolves on the circular path. How many times round? 1/4 rounds. Therefore, this S equal to, in the place of n we can write here 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 2 into pi into r. 2 into pi into r. So here 2 ones, 2 twos, that equal to pi r by 2. If a body is moving in a circular path 1 by 4 rounds, then distance equal to pi r by 2. It is a distance. It is a distance. It completes a 1 by 4 rounds. Okay. For example, radius r is given. For example, radius r equal to 7 meters. Now substitute here. What is this r value or pi value? 22 by 7. So here s equal to this equation you can write like this also, pi into r. If for example radius equal to 7 meters, so here s equal to 1 by 2 into pi 22 by 7 into radius r 7 meters. Here 7 get cancelled. 1 into 22 by 2. 2 ones here, 2 11s. Therefore distance is equal to 11 meters. It is the process if radius is given. So without radius, then distance equal to pi r by 2. Pi r by 2. It is a distance if a body is moving in a circular path from A to B. Now displacement. The body is moving from A to B now. What is meant by displacement? The shortest distance between initial and final point is called the displacement. What is the initial point here? A is the initial point. What is the final point here? B is the final point here. Radius is equal to r1. So displacement. If a body is moving from A to B, it is the diagram. From this diagram, it is the A, it is D, it is O. Now what is meant by displacement? The shortest distance between initial and final point is called displacement. What is the starting point here? A is the starting point and B is the final point. Now it is a displacement. The shortest distance between initial and final point is called displacement. So it is the displacement. Here AB is the displacement. From the diagram, A to O is equal to radius r. Next to O to B also radius r. So it is r. It is also r. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AB whole square is equal to base hypotenuse equal to base whole square plus opposite side whole square. So what is the base here? AO whole square plus opposite side OB whole square. So from this diagram, what is AO? A to O equal to R and O to B also R. So AO whole square means R square plus R square. So AB whole square is equal to R square plus R square 2 into R square. So we can write here AB equal to root of 2 into R square displacement equal to 1 by displacement equal to r into root 2, distance equal to pi r by 2. Now the body means here ant is moving from A to B. Distance if a body is moving from A to C. So here the body is moving from A to B and B to C. Here 1 by 4 plus here also 1 by 4. Total 1 by 4. Here n equal how many times it is revolving in a circular path? 1 by 2 times. My distance how many times here? AB equal to 1 by 4 and B to C also 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 that equal to 2 by 4. 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. It revolves on a circular path. How many times here? 1 by 2 times. So we know that if a body is moving in a circular path, then distance equal to n into 2 pi r. So what is the n value here? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 into pi r. So here 2 it cancel. 2 it cancel, that equal to pi r. It is the distance. If a body is moving on a circular path, how many times here? 1 by 4. 1 by 2 times. It is revolving in a circular path 1 by 2 times. Then distance equal to pi r. Now displacement. If a body is moving in a circular path, here it is a diagonal. A is C. So it is O. R, here also R. Therefore it is a straight line. AO plus OC. So displacement equal to 2R. It is the displacement if n equal to 1 by 2. If n equal to 1 by 2, for example, if body is given how many times here? 5 by 2 or 7 by 2 or 9 by 2. Even though displacement is 2r. Displacement is 2r. For n equal to 1 by 2 or 3 by 2 or 5 by 2 or 7 by 2 or 9 by 2, displacement is same, that is 2r. Displacement is same for n equal to 5 by 2. Here n means how many times it is revolving in a circular path. If n equal to 1 by 2, then displacement equal to r. If n equal to 5 by 2, displacement equal to r. If n equal to 3 by 2, displacement equal to r. If n equal to 7 by 2, even though displacement is 2r. Okay, don't forget. Next, the body is moving from A to B. Here ant is moving from A to B. Then find the distance and the displacement. Okay, now the ant is moving from third one A to B. Then find the distance. And the displacement. Okay, now listen. The body ant is starting from A down. It reach B. Again B to C. Again C to B. Here n equal to how much? How many times it is revolving on circular path? A to B equal to 1 by 4 times. And B to C also 1 by 4 times. And C to D also 1 by 4 times. Therefore here n equal to how many times it is revolving on circular path? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that equal to 3 by 4 times it is revolving on a circular path. Therefore distance, if a body is moving in a circular path, then distance equal to n into 2 pi r. What is n here? N means how many times it is revolving on a circular path. Into 2 into pi. Pi equal to 2 by 7 and r means radius of the circle. So here n equal to how much? 3 by 4 times it is revolving on a circular path. 3 by 4 into 2 into pi r. 2 ones here, 2 2s. What is the remaining value here? 3 by 2 into pi r. It is a distance if n equal to 3 by 4. So distance equal to 3 by 2 into pi r. 3 by 2 into pi r. If a body is moving in a certain path, therefore distance equal to, if a body is moving in a certain path, how many times here? 3 by 4 times. Then distance equal to 3 by 2 into pi r. It is a distance. Now displacement. Listen to what is meant by displacement? The shortest distance between the initial and final. The body means the hand is moving from A to B, again B to C, again C to D. So what is the initial point here? A is the initial point. So D is the final point. What is meant by displacement? The shortest distance between initial and final. So it is a diagram. Displacement amount. If n equal to how many times here? 3 by 4 times. So here displacement, it is the diagram. It is A, O and D. So what is meant by displacement? The shortest distance between initial and final. It is the diagram, isn't it? The body is moving from A to B, again B to C, again C to D. What is the starting point? A is the starting point. What is the ending point here? It is the ending. D is the ending point. According to definition of displacement, the shortest distance between initial and final point is called displacement. So it is the displacement. You can draw like this also. So it is displacement. It is a displacement. So it is a displacement. So once observe the diagram, O to D also radius r, A to O also radius r. So it is radius r, it is also radius r. From this diagram, it is a triangle. Once observe this diagram, it is look like a triangle, right angle triangle. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse means here AD whole square equal to sum of opposite sides square to base square, that is AO whole square plus OD whole square. So A to O or A to O equal to radius r. So it is square r square. Here also r square, that is equal to 2r square. So here displacement AD equal to root of 2r square. You can write here r into root 2. Displacement S bar equal to what? Displacement is indicated with a bar. A bar indicates it is a vector quantity. What is meant by vector quantity? A physical quantity which has both magnitude and direction is called a vector quantity. Scalar means a physical quantity which has only magnitude without direction, that is called a scalar. Okay, displacement is a vector and distance is a scalar. Therefore displacement equal to r into root 2. If n equal to, n means here a body is how many times it is revolving in circular path. So it is revolving in circular path how many times? 3 by 4 times. So if n equal to, n means how many times it is revolving on a circular path, number of revolvings on a circular path. If n equal to 3 by 2, then displacement equal to 2r. If n equal to 3 by 4, if n equal to 3 by 4 or 1 by 4, 5 by 4 or 7 by 4, displacement is r into root 2. If n equal to 1 by 2 or 3 by 2 or 5 by 2 or 7 by 2, displacement S bar equal to 2 into r. If n equal to 3 by 4, we got displacement equal to r into root 2. If n equal to 1 by 2 also, we got 1 by 4 also, r into root 2. Okay, body is moving in a circular path. If n equal to 3 by 4, then displacement equal to r into root 2. If n equal to 5 by 4 or 1 by 4 or 7 by 4 or 9 by 4, displacement is same, that is r into root 2. R means here radius of the circle. Now the last one, if a body is, if a hand is moving from A to A, then find the distance and displacement. Distance and displacement. Now your hand is moving from A to A. Vijendra. A to B, C to B to C, C to D, and D to A. So here find first n value. N equal to how many times here? A to A, 1 by A to B, 1 by 4 B to C, 1 by 4 and B to C, 1 by 4 and D to A to B 1 by 4, B to C 1 by 4, C to D 1 by 4 and D to A also 1 by 4, that equal to 1. Here n equal to how much? 1. Then distance equal to n into 2 pi. What is the n value here? 1 into 2 pi r, that equal to 2 pi r. It is the distance if n equal to 1. If n equal to 2 into pi r, 4 pi r. Okay, then displacement equal to 0, because what is the starting point here? A. What is the ending point here? The body is starting from A, again reach the same point A, means initial point and final point both are same, then displacement equal to 0. If displacement equal to 0, it is evaluated how many times it is? 1 time. 2 times also displacement 0, because of 1 time completed. What is the starting point A? What is the ending point A? Next second time, starting point is A, again reach the same point A, but 2 times also displacement equal to 0. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, even though displacement is 0. If the body is moving in a circular path, if n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then displacement equal to 0. If n equal to 1 by 2, 3 by 2 or 5 by 2, displacement equal to 2 into r. Displacement equal to 2r. If n equal to 1 by 4 or 3 by 4 or 5 by 4 or 7 by 4 or 9 by 4, then displacement s bar equal to r into root 2. So it is a process to find the distance and displacement if a body is moving on a circular path. Okay, now I will explain the problem. Semicircle means half circle. Semicircle means half circle. Find the distance and displacement if a body is moving from A to B along the path A, Q, B. Find the distance and displacement. Find the distance and displacement if the body moves from A to B along the path A Q B. So it is the diagram. It is A, it is B, it is the path. Here Q. Here A to B length is given, that is 14 meters. That means here R. It is a circle. It is a circle. So here A to B equal to 14 meters. A to B equal to 14 meters. The body is moving in a semicircle. It is a semicircle. If radius equal to 14 meters, then find the distance and the displacement. Semicircle means n equal to 1 by 2. Semicircle means n equal to 1 by 2. Half circle, here n equal to 1 by 2 times. So we know that if a body is moving in a circular path, distance equal to n into 2 pi r. Distance equal to distance equal to n into 2 pi r. Here n is given. Semicircle means half circle, 1 by 2 times. Here n equal to 1 by 2, pi equal to 22 by 7, and radius r is given, that is 14 meters. Therefore, distance s equal to n into 2 pi r. So what is n value here? 1 by 2 into 2 into pi, 22 by 7 into radius, that is 14 meters. Okay, so here 2 we cancel. 7 ones here, 7 2s 14. So what is the remaining value here? 1 into 22 into 2. 1 into 22, 20 into 22 into 2, 44 meters. S equal to 44 meters. If n equal to 1 by 2, already explained that, then distance equal to n into 2 pi r, and displacement s bar equal to 2 into r. What is 2 and what is the r value? R equal to 14, that is 28 meters. Displacement equal to here, displacement equal to for 28 meters, and the distance equal to 44 meters. Once observe here, distance is 44 and displacement to 28. Here also distance is more compared to displacement. So I already explained that distance is always greater than or equal to displacement. Only one case, body is moving in circular path, straight line, distance and displacement both are equal. Remaining all cases, distance is more compared to displacement. Listen once again. Distance means the length of the path traveled by the body. So distance is a scalar quantity because of it has only magnitude without direction. So distance is a scalar. Distance is measured in meters in SI system, centimeters in CGS system. Distance is always positive, can never be 0 or negative if body in the state of motion. Okay, now displacement, the shortest distance between initial and final point is called displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity. So displacement is measured in meters in SI, centimeters in CGS. Okay, displacement may be negative, 0 and positive also. So it it is about distance and displacement. These are the different models to find the distance and displacement. Okay, thank you.